Hello. Yeah, so I did a video on on TikTok about Jumia, and it got guys asking a lot of questions, and I thought of, and it actually, I guess venye nilikuwa na upload ikakatika haraka, I mean ikakata kwa some section yenye ilikuwa most important. Now, so this is the longer version of that video. And of course, if you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button, because this is where we talk about stuff like this. So let's get into the video. In that video, I showed you how I made 15,000 last month on Jumia, which was like 173% increase from what I did in January. As you can see, I was in both January and December last year, I was making around 5K, and then it jumped to 58, then it jumped to 15,800. So in this video now, I will show you how I did that and how you can do it. Now, this is the month. So this is how the Jumia platform, called platform, looks like. If you look at this month, I'm on the road to make around 6K. Yeah, I'm on the road to make around 6K. Now, if you look at down here, this is the dashboard. These are the clicks. So far today we have around 10 clicks on the links that I share, and I will talk about where I share those links, and I'll even show you that. Now, on your left, you will see there are 3 tabs. There is the advertising, reports, and support. So under the advertising, you will find place to get your links to promote. Under the reports, you will find the report to conversion. So conversions mean how many of those clicks actually bought something. So you'll find other conversions, and then invoices is now once they've converted. Now this is where Jumia now sends you the money. It's found under invoices. Then the downloads is where you'll find where you've requested the downloads of your invoices. Under the support, you will find the commission and FAQs and contact us. So if you have an issue, you can either look at the FAQ section or contact Jumia directly. So before you can promote something, actually you have to sign up. So to sign up as a Jumia affiliate, just go to call.jumia.com. I'll leave a link in the description, and then either click on register now. So this is the page actually you'll come to. So let me talk about some things that we will look at inside. So these are the 3 types of people who can register as Jumia affiliate or to promote products on Jumia. There's the micro influencer, there's mega influencer, and there's the affiliate. So the micro influencer is someone with minimum of 5K followers on their social media. So that can be either here on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. You should have minimum of 5K. The mega are guys with over 100K followers. So that's the mega influencer. They can also join Jumia. And then there's the affiliate. So an affiliate is someone like me. I don't have that much following anywhere. Yeah, but I have websites. Yeah. So you either have a website or social media page that allows you to operate in the fields of cashback and all that stuff. So if you have a website or social media page you can use, you can sign up as an affiliate. So how does it work? The first thing is you register, and then you advertise their links, and then you earn. So you get compensated for the sales that you drive to Jumia. Yeah. So this is how to register. So just go to call.jumia.com, then come up here and click register. Now this is the page you will come. So give them your first name and last name, your email, make sure it's valid, choose password, select your country, and then give them phone number. Yeah. Then now this is the where you select the account type. Now I realized sometime back when I was helping someone register that I couldn't choose the affiliate part. It was plucked out, which means I don't know what that means. I guess we'll have to wait and see why that, or if that would come up also. And only mega influencer was on. Yeah, so you can try and see if you can register as an individual. But if you are following, I would suggest you either go with mega influencer or as a micro influencer. Yeah, then now this is where the part that makes all the difference. If you sign up as an affiliate, you provide them your website, and if you are either of influencer or if you are in an influencer, give them your social media platform. Yeah, so to give them your social media, just so I'm going to use an example of my Instagram. So on Instagram, you can find me and even DM me through Kevin.blogger. So just go look for Kevin.blogger and you will find me there. Now, so just go to your profile, click on profile, and then copy the link, and then come and paste it here. Yeah, and then click. Now agree with their terms. You can read their terms and see what they're saying, and then of course register. What happens from here is they will review your profile. Probably they will go through your social media accounts or website and see what you're publishing, or your reach, your engagement rate, and all that stuff. If they accept you, now you can start uploading. So now I'll have to log in, and boom, once you're accepted, this is the place you will come to. Yeah, this is what you will see, that what we saw earlier on. Now to start promoting, there are two ways you can promote a product on Jumia. There is the offers and there is the custom links. Now I will start with custom links because it will lead us to offers. Now if you go to Jumia and say I want to promote this TV, so I click on that TV and then I take the link of the product you want to promote, come back to Jumia, go on advertising, then click on custom links. Make sure it's Jumia e-commerce and then it's Kenya or whatever country you are. Then paste the link here. So the link I've pasted here is the one I copied here. Yeah. Then you will see on your right some link will pop up. This is your customized link. So you can copy this link and then now send to someone. The reason why I can't send someone directly this link is because it's not trackable. It doesn't have any of my affiliate code, which means if I send this naked link to someone and they buy, I don't make any money. Yeah, I don't make any money. Why? Because it's not trackable. The reason why I'm pasting it here is for it to be tracking, like they will insert my code directly. As you can see here, if you follow it, you will see something popping up. If you see here, it starts with call.jumia.com API or whatever. So API is some programming mumbo jumbo. Yeah, so once it's customized, just copy it and then you send it to someone, or you can share it directly to your social media. Now the problem with this way of promoting through custom links is it's only trackable through the web. This is what this means. If I send this to you and you buy it on the mobile app, I don't make any money. Yeah, but if I send it to you and you make it and you buy it through the web, I make the money. Now the reason why that is Jumia still, trying to fix that. I don't know, it's a problem. It's a problem they are trying to fix. I don't know when they will fix it, but I don't think they're going to fix it. And you will see the reason why later on. Now the alternative way of doing that is through the offers. So with offers, you don't have to paste any link. You use what they provide. Yeah. So you just go to offers, follow the same process. Then you look at here. Yeah. You go through the links here. So because I was promoting the TV, I will go with the TV's category. So open that category. And as you can see, there is no link I have to paste anywhere here. Yeah. Then you can copy directly the generated URL. Just copy this link and then now you can share it. Now the good thing with this is whether you buy it through through the mobile app or the web, I make the money. Yeah. Now the problem with this is I can't send someone directly to the product, because if you look at so let me repeat this and use the custom links and you will see what I mean. So I can generate a customized link to this product, copy it. Now when I paste it, or when you click on that link, it takes you directly to the product I gave you. But with the offers, it doesn't do that. It takes you to a general category. Yeah, it takes you to okay, I clicked one for I don't know. Yeah, so you copy that, then you paste it here. And if you look at here, it took me directly to TVs, the entire category of TVs. So that's the trick. So if you want, say I want to send someone to buy a phone, say I want them to buy this Redmi 10A. because I'm using offers, there is no category for Xiaomi 10A. There is no, it doesn't exist. Yeah, they used to, but it doesn't exist now. So the next best thing I have to do is just send someone directly to the phones category. Yeah, so once you send someone to the phones category, they will search the product they want. And of course, if they are lucky, it shows up here. But the good thing with this method of using offers instead of custom links is wherever someone buys, wherever they used to buy, that's if they are using the app or the web, you make the money. So I would, this is the one I use always. Yeah. So what happens now once you've generated the link? So say I want to promote the phones. So once I get the link, where do I promote it? So as you can see, you can promote directly through your social media. So that's number one. You can post it on your Facebook, your TikTok, your Instagram, your Twitter, wherever you are. You can use your social media. I guess I'll create a separate video about how to do that exactly. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Alternative way I use is now to use a website. And no, you don't need a website to do this. You don't need a website to make money on Jumia. But what you need is an audience. So whether that audience is on social media or is on a website is up to you. Yeah, it doesn't matter. You just need an audience. Now, one of my websites is this one, phones.co.ke. So of course, from the name, you can hear that I promote phones. Now, if you look at through this website, there are a lot of links. And I've stated here explicitly that when you buy through links on our site, we may earn a commission. Yeah, so if you buy anything on this website, it goes directly to Jumia and I earn a commission. So if you look at this one, this Oppo A16K, if you click on that link, it takes you directly to Jumia. And when you buy anything here, I make the money. Yeah, I make the commission. And as you can see here, under the commission model, the fonts category, so let's look at fonts, how much commission. Here is fonts, it's 2.5%, which means when I refer someone to buy this 15,000 phone, 15,299, I make 2.5. So if we look at 2.5 of 15,299. 15,299 is how much? It's 382. 382, yes. So when I refer someone to buy this phone, I make 382 per sale. So if you want to make, say, 3,000 per month, you refer 10 of them. Yeah. So that's the trick. If you want to make 30,000, you just do the math and then you will see. Now, but that's not all. If you look at here under the blog section, I post articles about this. Yeah, I post articles about. If you look at here, I've written a review of Xiaomi Redmi 12C. So whenever someone read this review, so let me open it. So if you look at here, if you read this review, so under the review, I talk about the phone, everything, and then pros and cons and all that, and then I provide a link. If you want to buy it, just click here, buy now, and of course it takes you directly to Jumia. If you buy it, I make the money. So the trick here is you write articles. So for example, if I want to promote, so let me pick another phone. Say I want to promote this Vivo, so I just write a review of this Vivo. Yeah, so I just write a review of that Vivo. And whenever someone goes to Jumia, goes to Google and searches for Vivo review in Kenya, I hope my website will show up. It will show up here. But of course, I've written nothing about that here. But I've written something about this Freon. So if you search for Freon F9 in Kenya, you will see my website popping up somewhere. So let's change it to Kenya. And if you can see, this is my website. Yeah, it shows up. So whenever someone searches, so that's called a SEO. And if you want to learn more about that, this is the channel for you, because we talk about all that. So that's it, guys. That's the longer version. I mean, the longer version of the video that I did on TikTok. And if you want to know more about all of this stuff, please follow me on TikTok. And of course, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, because I'll be posting longer videos here. And if you have any question about this, please leave a comment below. Bye for now. I'm Kevin.